Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to download Yay to Arch Linux or all Arch-based distros. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to the video first. Now let's move on to the video. First, there are a few dependencies that we need to download the bow. Let's download it. I will give all the commands in the description section. Now let's open the terminal and enter the command. Let's enter our password. I didn't have to do anything because I had everything installed. Now let's go to the terminal and type clone and copy the link I will give you in the description and paste it into the terminal. After downloading, let's enter the Yay folder with the cd command and enter the command I will give you for the Yay setup. Installation started. Let's enter our password and say yes. Installation started. Let's enter our password. Here we will say yes, and the Yay will install its own dependencies. And the installation completed successfully. Now we check if it works by looking at the release version. It works without any problems. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. If you want to see more information about Linux in future videos, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like it.